Good morning, everybody. Hey Steve here once again. It is Saturday, April the 11th, 2026. Here is a pedestal fan made by Lasko. This fan came with the house, and if you saw my first video that I recorded here, well, here it is. The fan does work. I have not done anything to it as of yet. And it does appear to be in overall decent shape. I mean, it looks to be pretty clean. I mean, it's not perfectly clean, but it doesn't seem like there's been high hours on this thing or anything like that. Not exactly sure as to how old this is. It possibly can't be too old. This is a 3-speed, and it's an all black, as you can tell. There's the speed control. There's the oscillator. There's the stand and the base. There's the cord back there with the blue plug with the fuse in it. Not too big on these Lasko pedestal fans. I mean, they're okay for what they're worth. I do have fond memories of the models that had the controller on it, and you could control the speeds with the controller. They were white, and they had some kind of special chip inside, and you could change the settings or the speeds with the remote control. Not exactly sure if those are still being sourced today, but I have gone through at least several of these. These are nice fans. Well, like I said, this did come along with the house, so it was a free find. Well, I guess there's really not much of anything that I can say about this, so I guess I'll go ahead and I'll start it up for you. Let's start it off on the low speed first. It is a little out of balance there. But it's quiet, and it's throwing out a good volume of air. Alright, let's kick it up to high. Standing within about maybe 7 feet of this fan. This has a good range of air. So, like I said, these are not bad performers for what they're worth. One of Lasko's finer products, I might say, in my opinion. Wow, spin down time on this is actually pretty decent. So, I really don't count on having to clean or service this thing anytime soon. Really neat fan. Alright, let's start it off on the high speed now. Alright. See if we can capture a startup sound on this. Alright. Well, there you have it, everybody. I hope that you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and until the next one, I will see you later. Have a good day.